I'm sure it has happened to you that you've been wondering if someone specific has deactivated their account, or maybe you've been wondering if they have blocked you, or maybe in general, you've been wondering what has happened to their account. So in this video, I'm going to show you what happens when someone deactivates their account. And also I'm going to show you the difference between someone blocking you and someone deactivating their account. First, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your account. In order to do so, you want to open your Instagram, you want to head over to settings. Here you want to type deactivation. Keep in mind, don't type deactivate because that wouldn't show any results because it's actually called deactivation. Even if you want to delete your account, it's called deletion. So make sure just to type the 3 or 4 first letters of that word. Anyway, we want to tap on deactivation or deletion. And here you want to choose your Instagram account. And then you want to continue. So as you can see, I cannot deactivate my account because I have already done it in the last week. So I have to wait 2 more days in order to be able to deactivate my account. But essentially, this is the way. There's nothing really complicated about that. And if you want to reactivate your account, all you need to do is to log back in. And also, if you make sure that your login info is saved, you can log back into your account easily. And in order to do that, you want to head over to password and security, saved login. You want to make sure that this item is toggled on. Anyways, let's say I deactivated my account, and now what happens is that other people, when they search my username, they won't find anything associated with that account. Even if they find my account in their chats, let's say on their direct messages, they will be able to see all of our previous messages. But when they tap on my profile, there will be no profile picture. Also, it will say user not found. But if somebody has blocked you, you won't see their messages in your direct messages chat. And if they have blocked you, you won't see any trace of that account anywhere. Even if they are tagged on a post and you tap on their name, it will take you to their profile, but it says user not found. You won't see any profile picture or the number of posts or followings or followers. You basically will not see anything. But if that account is only deactivated, you will be able to see your previous messages.